In today's video, we are going to show you how to add a wallet tracker on Axiom. This feature lets you monitor the on-chain activity of any public Solana wallet in real time, making it much easier to follow smart money, influencers, or your own wallets all from within the Axiom platform. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. Inside the dashboard, you can simply choose any meme coin that you wanted. For example, we're going to choose Billy. I'm going to double click on it, and for us to be able to add a wallet tracker on this specific coin, we need to copy the wallet address. You see this square icon right here? I want you to copy that and then go to the tracker section, and then you will notice that you have the option to add a wallet. Double click on it and then provide or paste the copied wallet address from that specific meme coin, and you can also enter the wallet name for that, so it's a lot easier to identify and organize later. And then you also have the option to choose the drop-down menu, select the main, and add the Solana wallet. The wallet will immediately appear in your wallet tracker list, allowing Axiom to monitor its on-chain activity. Basically, that's it. Whenever the track wallet buys or sell tokens, Axiom can display those transactions in real time, helping you discover trending tokens and follow experienced traders without relying on Telegram bots. Of course, you can continue adding multiple wallets by selecting as many meme tokens as you can, copying the same wallet address, and go to the trackers and add it to the wallet. It's a simple feature that can save you time by keeping an eye on any smart money movements directly inside your trading workspace. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.